Welcome to our presentation on the just-in-time clinical QR kit. Within healthcare, neonatal clinical staff have a vast range of equipment to use, such as ventilators and incubators. This leads to staff forgetting and becoming unfamiliar with the equipment and can possibly lead to adverse consequences. This project was a success as we have enabled the use of QR codes to direct users to resources regarding the equipment. Scanning them will take staff to our developed website filled with resources such as videos and manuals in various formats. This will leave staff's memory refreshed and prepared for the job at hand. Our requirements include QR code redirection to the relevant equipment, implementing 3 different user types with various privileges, the addition and editing of trusts, hospitals, users and equipment, and sharing of equipment between admins. The goals were to fulfill these requirements, deploy, test, and debug our solution, and add existing resources provided to us by our client to showcase the solution's efficacy.
Visual Studio Code and IntelliJ were used as our IDE. React, Spring Boot, and Postgres were used for our website, API, and database. Zebra crossing was used for our QR code generation. The following diagram shows some of the components to our solution. After scanning, users will be promoted to log in, and trust admins have the highest privileges. Being able to perform the most actions, they can create new user groups of all types, and add new hospital or add new equipment, and will report on equipment viewing. They can also add it to the FAQ, share equipment, and will report the issues of all equipment of the hospitals in their trusts. Hospital admins have the second most privileges. They can add new equipment and will report in their hospital, as well as share equipment among admins. They can note at hospitals' trusts or create more FAQ unlike trust admins.
Clinical staff can view and search equipment, as well as view the FAQs set by the trust. These logins are shared between staff. They do not have individual accounts, unlike admins. Where a code is scanned, the user is taken to log in and can view resources from the comfort of their mobile device, both in landscape and portrait mode. Our progress consists of implementing the user types, QR code generation, sharing, and report systems. Editing and viewing report equipment has been smoothly implemented, resulting in testing and debugging, which is near completion. Code has been documented on both client and server side, with README files and a user guide also created for ease of navigation in the code and within the website. We have also successfully deployed our solution, so it is accessible on the internet. This allows us to test and debug code for a more robust solution. We hope you have enjoyed, and we are willing to answer any questions you have regarding the clinical QR kit. Thank you for listening.